Hello everyone! Welcome to the Cromwell Belden Public Library. I am Miss Emily and today we are making a spoon catapult. Okay, so what you are getting in your kit, of course, a plastic spoon. You're going to have 3 rubber bands and 8 popsicle sticks. I've got 8 right here. And you're going to get these 2 cute little pom-pom chicks. These are what we're going to be catapulting. You also may need markers and paper if you want to create your own target to aim for, but today we're just going to focus on making the catapult itself. Okay, so this is a really easy project to do. The first thing you're going to do is take 7 out of your 8 popsicle sticks, so everything but one. You're going to stack them up nice. We'll put this one to the side, and you're going to make a nice stack with them just like this. So they're all lined up, and rubber band one end together. These are very nice rubber bands. You want it nice and snug. So I've got my 7 stacked up, one side rubber banded. Now I'm going to flip them, and between the bottom one and the rest of them, I'm going to slide in this other popsicle stick so it makes a T. You can see it slid in between. Looks like a T right here. And then I'm just going to rubber band, push them all down and rubber band the other side. And once you do that, whoop, you can adjust this however you want. So I want a little bit sticking out, and I want it to be as centered as possible. So it looks like this. There we go. And last but not least, the reason you want enough sticking out is because this little stubby end is where you're going to rubber band your spoon. So as you can see, I've put my spoon right here, holding it in place. This is the tricky part. I'm just going to, nice and tight, just like with the other ones, rubber band it together. So now it's nice and tight in place. And it was that easy. Our catapult is done. Okay, so the making is done, and all that's left is to test out catapulting our chicks. So I'll do a sideways one first. Let's see. We'll do our little blue chick first. So you're just going to rest your chick in the spoon, and I like to hold the bottom right here, but you can also hold the ends, whatever you think makes it most secure. And then you're just going to pull your spoon back. This is going to go out of frame of the camera, and just, woo! And then for fun, we'll shoot one at the camera last but not least. So again, I'm just holding it down wherever I want to. You just don't want to hold down on the spoon because that's the part that needs to bend.